Hi, I'm Evelyn Cucciara from OrganizingWithEvelyn.com and the author of the book 30 Days to an Organized Home. Today I'm going to show you how to easily fold and organize your sweaters, and a good tip to remember too. Okay, so you have a sweater. Standard, everyday, ordinary sweater. You could just fold it, but I personally like to roll my sweaters. So take the sweater, fold it in half, lay it down on a flat surface, start at the top and just roll it right down. This way your sweater ends up with no wrinkles in it, and it takes up a little bit less room. They don't get quite as bulky. Then they can slip easily into a drawer. Any type of sweater this will work with. That was kind of a medium sweater. This is a big bulky sweater, but it works just as well. Simply take it, shake it out a bit, take it from the shoulders, lay it down, fold it over, roll it up. Tuck the ends under and you get a nice neat little bundle, which fits right into your drawer. If you have too many sweaters to fit into one drawer, you have too many sweaters. You need to get rid of some of them. Good way to figure out which ones you wear and which ones you don't. When you first take your sweaters out at the beginning of the season, put them in and just fold them the regular way. You know, just flat like this, regular standard flat folded sweater. Put them in your drawer that way. After you take them out and you wear them, you wash them, you put them back in your drawer, roll it when you put them back in your drawer. A couple weeks into the season, you will see most of your sweaters will be rolled. Some of them will still be flat. The ones that are flat, you don't need anymore because you never wear them. So donate them, give them to your best friend, get them out of your drawer. They're just taking up space and weighing you down. You don't need them. So those are some simple ways to keep your sweaters nice, neat, organized, and not overpower yourself with them. Be organized. Thanks. Bye-bye.